Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share another quick product reveal for the new A2 envelope die. I am super excited about this die since I mostly make A2 size cards and I love making my own envelopes. This is an 11-piece die set. It comes with the dies to make the envelope and it also comes with 8 accent pieces. I'm going to cut the pieces out so you can see what they look like. These are all the accent pieces. You can put decorative labels on the envelope. There's also a little decorative stamp die. There are the dies to make lines for the address and the return address label. This die cuts out the decorative liner for the inside of the envelope. I cut out the decorative liner from the 6x6 bandana paper. I used the Sending Sunshine stamp set to stamp some flowers on the front of the envelope. I'm going to quickly show you how to put the envelope together. I attach the decorative liner now because I find it's easier to do that part first. Then I line up the score lines and I fold down the decorative paper to make it flexible. Then I put glue on the back side of the folded down decorative flap. Then I carefully fold over the white envelope flap. Next, I fold up the bottom part of the decorative paper and put glue on the back side, and then I glue it to the white part of the envelope. Now I'm going to attach the back side of the envelope. I scored the tab at the score line and now I put glue on the tab and attach it to the bottom of what will be the inside of the envelope. I fold in the 2 side tabs and I put glue on the outside panel because it's easier to see how much glue you need this way, and then I fold up the panel and attach it to the tabs. And that's it. You have yourself a great A2 sized envelope. I did make a pink envelope as well so you can see what it looks like in color with a decorative inside. And that will complete my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this new release and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.